Hey guys, it's Danielle, and today I am unboxing the BILLIE'S Fall 2021 box. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Danielle and I am a blogger over at thebasichousewife.com where I talk about all things subscription boxes, product reviews, gift guides, best of lists, all that jazz. And if you're here because you have been curious about trying BILLIE'S, this is a great opportunity for you to check out the box, see what's inside, see if you like it or not. And if you've never heard of BILLIE'S before, it is a quarterly subscription box that caters towards beach lovers, poolside babes. I don't know. If you like the water, you're gonna love this subscription box. They do offer a men's and women's version of this box, and they also just launched a beauty box recently, which I honestly really liked. All of those details to learn more about them are going to be linked down below. For now, let's just get into unboxing this bad boy because I already saw a couple sneak peeks and I'm very excited for what's inside. I'm already so excited for this. So one thing I really love about BILLIE'S and most subscription boxes is that they really cater to the season. So like in the winter, we got some really good skincare stuff for dry skin. In the summer, we got a beach cooler and a swimsuit cover-up tunic thing. So I'm really excited to see what they do for fall because fall is one of my favorite seasons. Who doesn't love fall? So let's start small. The first thing that I'm noticing is this super cute little pouch. Like, it's the tiniest little thing. It says it's from Salty CALI. I'm assuming it's jewelry, but like freaking adorable. Oh, cute. So as I guessed, it is a super cute little seashell necklace. I got gold. Members were able to choose between gold and silver. Love the simplicity of it, and I love that it kind of looks like a heart. Like from afar, I'd be like, oh, that's a cute little heart. Next is this Sunshine Dew from Earth Harbor. I've gotten some other stuff from Earth Harbor from them before, so this must be a brand that they work closely with, but I really liked the other skincare product that I got. So this is an antioxidant cleansing oil. Ooh. What does it do? What does it do? So it's plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten, no soy, small batch made, and woman-owned. I mean, what more could you want? Removes impurities, pollution, and makeup while serenely exfoliating your skin. Gently shake, apply to a dry face, add lukewarm water and massage across your skin to dissolve oils and makeup, rinse thoroughly and pat dry. I am so excited for this. I have been wanting to try a cleansing oil forever. I'm gonna guess that this is my favorite product of the box. I'm so excited for this. Next is this little tin. I don't think there's anything in it, but I think that this thing is absolutely adorable. Oh, tropical jewelry box. That's so fun. I actually am picturing this more in like my kitchen than like a jewelry box. I don't know what I'll put in it, like teas. Wouldn't teas be cute in this? You can even keep like scrunchies in here. I don't know. I think that this lemon thing is just the part of the packaging, so that comes off, but I'll find a use for it for sure. Okay, and then this was something that I saw a preview for. Okay, so first, just know that there's a matching wallet from LU+ELLE. Super cute, little basic matching wallet. It's a freaking backpack and it's so cute. Okay, I got it all unpackaged. How adorable is that? I love it. Like the colors, the leather, everything about this speaks to my soul. I love it so much. And then, yes, the wallet does match. So, I mean, win-win, right? So, it's got a drawstring closure, so you kind of close it up. Inside looks pretty normal. Oh gosh, pretty normal. I'm in love. But oh wait, there's more. The last item, I know what this is because I had to select my size. This is a reversible pullover. It says Aloha Paradise. So cute. So the inside, definitely like that unfinished look with all of the stitching of it that's visible. You definitely would have to cut the tag off. Oh, this is one that just rips right off. But yes, it can also be worn like this, which is so much fun. Would you like me to model it for you guys? Even if you say no, I'm going to put it on anyways. Here she is, friends. So cute. Pretty high pants on right now, but love it. Obsessed. I want to throw some leggings on with this and be just like extra comfy. Alright guys, so that is everything that I got in my fall Beachly box. Seriously, these boxes just keep getting better and better. And how they can package all of their stuff into this tiny box, like, probably looks bigger on camera than it actually does in person, but seriously, I'm amazed by it. Go check Beachly out. Again, I will have a link in my description along with a promo code. And yeah, you should definitely check it out. And if you do, let me know in the comments. That's all. Bye guys!